the services that we often do is roofing, gutters, siding, windows, doors, the fences that are in between the dividers that go in between the units, concrete work, both pouring and demolition, and all of those little items that show up. So like the lighting fixtures that'll be on the outside of the building, any little post and materials. We'll do double deck size ones where it's like 2 decks stacked on top of each other, or single deck items for different properties, porticos. And then we also obviously worry a lot about water drainage, both from the roof, but then also as much as we can do with the gutters, runoff type of thing, so that's not leaking into the properties.
So you don't work with residentials?
We do for Lemus Remodeling. So this 2 years ago, what they wanted to do is get back into the residential world. So the way that we do our Lemus Remodeling setup is it's still under the Lemus name and the Lemus brand, but it's more of a franchise style. So Chris and Katie out of PA, they were the first ones to jump in on this. We handle their marketing. We provide them with a budget of certain aspects, and we kind of showcase, here's the size of the team that you would need, here's how many leads you need to generate, here's how many jobs and what your revenue goals. And we set up a lot of the financial and marketing aspects for them so that they can go out and be the salesperson and be the hands-on construction team. So
if we see somebody needs a deck either built or redone,
yep,
that's something you guys could do?
Correct, yeah. It's all the renovation and it's all the exterior work. I know from Robert that left type of thing, he hit us up and it was like all interior work. And I'm like, no, we don't deal with the drywall in that way. You had I think a property had a flood or something like that. It was like, that was kind of outside of the realm of where we would go. But obviously,
exterior.
All exterior stuff, yeah. So,
do you have a limit of some of these communities are older?
Yeah.
And some of them are mid and some of them are brand new. Do you have, like, Florence Tollgate is the crap of the crap? Yeah, I mean, nobody wants to work in that. Okay. But if the board came to you and said, we want to redo the whole roof.
Yeah.
Do you have like, well...
Is it, are you saying like it's a historic kind of thing? Because we just actually did a commercial one that was a historic setup, so it's just bad looking.